What we make is very unique. It's very technologically advanced, it's very technical, it's very design-oriented. Architects love it, designers love it.
We provide something completely outside the box that reinvents what people believe is possible with a door or window.
We have a design process, and we go through the design process, and we start with a aluminum extrusion, 60611 aluminum, and we either cut it to design, or we have it anodized and then cut it. First, before we assemble it, we go through the quality control process, make sure that it meets our standards, it meets our manufacturing specifications. Once that's done, we basically go through and just assemble everything. We put it in a test wall, test it out for complete operation, make sure the glass is fitting correctly, make sure it operates smoothly, and then we package it and send it on its way.
We started the business in 2011, in the middle of the Great Recession. Everybody told us we were crazy, but we persevered. And I'm really proud of what we've built here.
We've got a great group of people here that bring a lot to the table, each in their own way.
So the product that we make here is actually really cool. Every day is almost like an art project because it is custom.
I enjoy seeing it all come together, from the process of just having pieces of material here and there to it all coming together.
Where I am, since I'm cutting it, I'm the very first person to touch the project. And then after seeing it wait like a couple months and seeing it completely together with the glass and everything installed, it's pretty fun.
All of our customers, when they get these products, they never see anything like it, and they're so impressed when they get it, and it just makes you feel good at the end of the day knowing that you built that and you were part of it and tested it, and they're so amazed of how it works.
There's always a wow factor or a cool factor in what we build, because everything is unique and everything is different. No one project is the same as the next project.